So this is a warning for SHIB, for crypto, and for people in the market in general. Okay. Obviously, when we look at the charts for SHIB, when we look across the broader crypto market, we don't know what's going to happen here on the short term. We don't know whether SHIB's going to go up, whether it's going to go down, what BTC is going to do, what other factors are going to be out there. Right now, SHIB price is obviously around this resistance range. Again, the one that we typically struggle with, that 5078 through 5080. And there's a lot of no man's land above. There's a lot of no man's land below. We don't know where we're headed. But when we look 3 months down the line, we're likely going to see prices higher than where they're at now. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. And this is important why this is why it's important to think long-term when it comes to crypto. Too many people are way too focused on, oh my gosh, is the price going to go down from here? Is it going to go up? Blah, 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 right? If you weren't planning on selling anytime soon, it doesn't really matter. Okay. We could trickle back down from here. We could retest some of these low levels. But if by the end of January, we're somewhere up around this 4010 to 4012, does it really matter if price retraced at all? No, it really doesn't. And that's where I think people need to have a little bit of a change of mindset. You know, I've had people drop in the comments, oh yeah, SHIB price dropped and blah, 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 blah. Who cares right now? Okay. These last probably 12 to 18 months have been accumulation time. This has been time to continue adding to your bag at these low prices. Because what people need to realize is eventually these low prices, they go bye-bye. All right. They don't come back. Regardless of what your beliefs on SHIB are, whether you think it's going to be successful or not, when the broader crypto market moves, especially into a bull market cycle, especially into the Bitcoin halving, and especially into alt season, all assets are going to rally. And that's just by sheer liquidity. Okay. When BTC moves up, drags the liquidity of the broader crypto market up. It's the reason why all these assets move in conjunction. It's the same reason why when you see BTC fall off a cliff, all assets fall off a cliff. It's not like these guys all called each other behind the scenes and are like, hey, let's quick all sell down right now. No, it's because the assets, they move together. They're very much correlated right now. So when we look 3 months down the line, what is going to be happening? Okay, we're about to close out, obviously, October here. So end of November, end of December, end of January. So we're looking all the way out here. We're into 2024. By that time, we're likely going to have a bull market confirmation already. And the halving is just around the corner, sometime in March, April, somewhere in there. By that point, we should already be doing what we did to enter 2023. Yeah, obviously SHIB had this massive rally to the upside. The broader crypto market did as well. This rally was huge, explosive prices. And what people need to understand is that this year has been so suppressed in terms of price. We really haven't been able to get on that run that prices are likely going to explode. Again, this is not financial advice. There's no guarantees about what's going to happen, but think about how much capital has truly been sitting on the sideline, waiting to enter. And if you look at historically what happens in the few months prior to the halving, we start to climb. Okay. By the time that we hit January 1, we're only 3 to 4 months out from the halving. That's a very short period of time in crypto, guys. And we're likely going to start running. Also, once you hit a bull market, you typically start running. Now, this isn't to say that we're going to instantly run to all-time highs or anything like that. So get that out of your head. We're not going to do that right there. That's just not what happens in that part of the market cycle. But once we get past those times, once we get past, again, the start of the bull market, past the halving, get into alt season, that's when you're going to see assets across the space start to really push up to these levels. I'm had somebody ask this question. I think that it's possible and likely that we hit new all-time highs by either late 2024 or early 2025. That's just what history shows. So be prepared for those times. This has been a time to build. This is your warning. We may not have much more time around these levels, but definitely think long-term. The long-term plays, time in the market, outweighs timing the market. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Would love to hear your thoughts on this, but I hope you guys have a great day, and I really hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.